Yo hinata fi humana kwabba zaba jimezi ya tunzan no kwa wiwin chimezi no kwa wiwin chimezi the Bitter Treat Show. You're welcome to show dubbed the Bitter Treat Show. The Bitter Treat Show. You could do the aftermath of December 7th general election. Yeah, Ghana for what waba ewe what's the ama oye NDC amayoku. There, His Excellency, the President-elect John Dramani Mahama, on NDC amayoku will for a man will come January 7th. Bira His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Wa se NPP amayoku nenen. What two NPP amayoku ne pasabasa nenen. Na wase John Dramani Mahama ni NDC. Wonderful oye amambe nenen. Na wonfa Ghana fo enko boshe assassino. Na ife ndamusi oye NPP enumudwa dede na de nsemu a wozi wo Ghana ha. Na ife musi Ghana fo tuma wozi man na arrogance of power nti wonfo bu informate mamofo na watu abetie won poto. When you know Guase, when your press conference, in that press conference, one to Minkasa. The press conference in Enna, Afenyo Markin, Penina, other MPP in the Shebogo for one another, the Shebogo. Only the MPP National Executive, so yeah, na other Machuga, the Bibi Sweat. Ono no who, na yapada, yet and I get for home. No call me Intende Gimiza Alba Wako Minana. Tifia Samayeda to them coming upon your market. MPP executives, stop useless ranting and take your pink sheets to Supreme Court. This is how we have titled today's presentation, the Bitter Treat presentation that is coming your way. We are still looking at the aftermath of the December 7th general election, where Ghanaians has severely dealt with the ruling governing party, New Patriotic Party, under the leadership of the self-acclaimed arrogance of power, His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo, and his super incompetent appointees, because of disrespect, arrogance of power, and sheer disrespect that they continue to exhibit towards the citizens of this country, forgetting that the power they wield, it is emanating from the ordinary citizens of this country. And as they were punished severely during the election, the abysmal, the gargantuan humiliation that Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the self-acclaimed competent president, bragging that he will not hand over power to a candidate he has defeated twice, as he continued to refer to former President John Dramani Mahama as perennial presidential field candidates. Today, the people of Ghana have spoken. They have spoken resoundly, loud and clear, that they want NDC and John Dramani Mahama to come and take back the reins of governance. And the question is, if Nanado claimed he cannot hand over power to John Dramani Mahama that he has defeated twice, today, the Bitter Treat, we are asking Nanado, will he swallow his arrogance? Will he swallow his pride together with his appointees? They are holding a press conference. Afenyo Markin, the leader of the NPP caucus in Parliament, together with the national executives for the governing New Patriotic Party, held a press conference. And we want to give you the opportunity to listen to what he said. Then we will also share our perspective on. And as a result of that, today's presentation, we have captioned it. The title for today's presentation is Afenyo Markin, MPP executives, stop useless ranting and take your pink sheets to Supreme Court. We are reminding Afenyo Markin to run to Supreme Court because that is stuck in his trade. He is well known for running to Supreme Court. That is his stock in trade. So what is preventing him running to Supreme Court? He should gather the pink sheets and take to Supreme Court. If he thinks the electoral commission officials, they have done the untowards, we are urging him to go to court. I don't think that the CJ, the Chief Justice, has closed the door to the Supreme Court. So what is preventing him? Just say Afenyo Markin MPP, National Executives. When there is a good press conference in a war, what to take Ghana for Yana Swanan? It's a open sheet in Krata, make your maker for Supreme Court. Chief Justice, Isama Tokoni. Our Supreme Court, and Bobo on two into court, no Ghana for Yangan Yanoho. Young Connie Yinkate, or yeah, Afenyo Markin. What them some trophy shim no yan and some more cannon. Now you will sing ya, no call me up at you be said. Yanko, the team.
First of all, it is very regrettable that the NDC, after winning power, will resort to create an atmosphere of lawlessness, threaten parliamentary candidates, threaten party officials, and threaten anybody they see as a threat, so-called. In Ablekumanov, for instance, the parliamentary candidate there is under siege. Yesterday, she had a sleepless night. All manner of persons were at her residence in search of pink sheets. The question is, why is the NDC so interested in destroying evidence? Why are they interested in capturing pink sheets to destroy them and set them ablaze? This woman, Madame Ekuya Afriye, had to run for her life. It took the timely intervention of the police to protect her and to drive these NDC hooligans away.
Yati, Oye Afenyo Markin, who is a leader of the NPP caucus in Parliament, a leader of the House of the governing New Patriotic Party, who ought to prosecute government business. In that press conference, he raised some issues. Yepede interrogating this platform, the bitter truth. Yepede yebisa Afenyo Markin. Yenimna Afenyo Markin or Yembenimni, and he is a legislator. Osembra or your lawyer. Odzi Odinkofu wanansam to court. Na okaka wanansam mawani. Na sanusuya in the shebe gwenye Osembra. And in that press conference, Ose Mami Ekuwa Efriye NDC for Watatan. That were called pink sheets. Now I sign also Konifye Watatan. One Denifye. Now also it took the intervention of the police to save Mami Ekuwa Efriye. This Afenyo Markin, was he really listening to himself? That all your press conference said we na Ghana for ya gi meduma. Adi na Ghana for we ni nyansa. Afenyo Markin say, "Endi si funa water ta mani Ekuwa Efriye nene. Wakonifye. Watatan, but they took the police also say yeah bambofu police far into mamenen ebia yeke sontase. Also Watatan a lawyer why a press conference. Now also Waratata an MPP parliamentary candidate. Now it took the intervention of the police to save the woman, and the police could not arrest the alleged perpetrators of those crimes now. All kind of press conference in the morning. Upon your mark, you see correct, is everything all right? Maybe so. This platform, no calling unity, maybe sir, upon your marking, there. Said you, Biblia, you're okay. One side, and a lawyer of his sort, a legislator of his caliber, alleging that the NDC party supporters, they have gone to Madam Afenyo's residence in search of pinship to destroy, alleged attack on the woman. And as a lawyer of your worth, the question that the bitter children want to ask Afenyo Markin before embarking on that press conference in Sabi, was he able to report? Did he report the matter to the security agents, to the police? Have you reported the case to the police that yes, these are the identified NDC supporters who wanted to visit mayhem on Madam Afenyo as you alleged in your press conference? And sabi my wife for you from Ghana for give Ghanaians, credit Ghanaians citizens some modicum of respect and intelligence. The bitter platform, we want to ask Afenyo Markin that you said it took the intervention of the security to save the life of Madam Ekua, and those police who saved the life of the woman could not arrest the alleged crime perpetrators, and you come to organize a press conference to tell Ghanaians that the NDC supporters went to the residence of Madam Ekua in search of pink sheet to destroy evidence, and it took the intervention of the police, and the police could not arrest those who went there. Well, you listen to yourself. Afenyo Markin, listen. The bitter truth platform, we want to ask you, are you correct? Is everything all right? And in that press conference, this platform was expecting you to tell Ghanaians that yes, we have reported the case to the police. Once you were able to identify that those who went there, they belong to the NDC. Sabio, maybe so. Nansa some cry have you made official complaint to the police? The police now you claim that one of us save you, my meaning no Canada. Sabi. I've been saying the police feeling the state mandates them, empowers them to arrest. Biblia require one. Now going to one the press conference in Abaya. Look, Afenyo Markin, you are a very intelligent young man, a legislator and a lawyer. But with this press conference in a day, or you're not. I'm the one in the crack. It seems to me that the defeat in it. Hey, I'm a wide in it, you're thinking in it, not on Sisido, as someone I can in it. Sanko, na baby. Go and listen to the press conference. The statement as America. Let's say NDC painful. You are accusing NDC painful. If you know those who were behind, go to the police and make a case. Go and make a complaint. Okay? The time has come that the citizens of this country, we must be bold enough and point it out to them. That useless press conference and the statement that you made, this platform, we want to tell you point blank, or your useless statement in that press conference. Go and come again. Listen to him.
The NDC leadership pretends that what their party foot soldiers are doing are being done on their blind side, but they are indeed encouraging it. These individuals are moved in groups. Such attacks are planned and led by some MPs who are being promised juicy positions in government. And they are all over attacking parliamentary candidates. They are looking for pink sheets because they know that that is the evidence that we will use against them. They buy them fuel, they give them pickups, and they move them to locations. We are aware. They cannot pretend that they don't know about this. Is His Excellency John Dramani Mahama pretending not to be aware of all of these? All these things are happening before the media. The cameras are capturing all of these. And is this a country he wants to rule from 2025 to 2028? It is important that they don't just issue statements, but they demonstrate that they do not indeed support this action by stopping their boys. We are calling on civil society to call on the NDC leadership, especially His Excellency President-elect John Dramani Mahama, to demonstrate his love for this country by stopping this action immediately.
Useless talk. Useless press conference. Useless accusation. An infantile political press conference. Press conference are sabi. Much thinking has eluded Afenyo Markin. As a lawyer of your sorts, as a legislator, a leader of government caucus in parliament, you have organized a press conference to accuse NBC leadership that they are behind what is happening. And one, Anna, was shaking. What talk? They have given those crime now. I can't go for our committee. I see NBC and my company for what takes one of those boys in the pickup. What talk? Petro was it? The one from Koji Dream, one for Koji Bun. Sabi. Afenyo Markin. Afenyo Markin.